Are credit cards tools of convenience or financial vampires? Let's talk plastic magic today. Now, it's all in how you wield them, so ditch the confusion and listen up. First, understand a credit card is not free money. It's borrowed money with interest, like a loan you pay back monthly. So, swipe only what you can pay immediately. Don't fall for the minimum payment trap. It's like pouring water in leaky bucket. You will be drawn in debt before you know it. Second, befriend rewards. Choose a card that aligns with your spending habits. Groceries, cashback. Travel buck, airline miles. But remember, rewards are a bonus, not a reason to overspend. Stick to your budget. Third, read the fine print. My friends, interest rates, annual fees, hidden charges, they all lurk in there. Compare cards, negotiate if you can, and choose the one that suits you, not your bank. And lastly, treat your card like a guest, not a roommate. Use it sparingly, pay bills on time, and never ever lend it out. Your credit score is your financial passport. Keep it clean. There you have it, friends. Credit cards can be a powerful allies, but like any tool, use them wisely. Remember, financial freedom starts with conscious choices. So swipe smart, stay informed, build a future brighter than your credit card limit. Now go forth and conquer your finances. Stay tuned.